welcome to the bedroom project. When we moved into this house, this area right here was a wall at the end of the hall. So I've opened that up and put a door in. And as well, this is the back side of the fireplace. It's kind of hard to see, the lighting's terrible in here. So what this is going to be, this door will open up, there'll be a little sort of private hallway. This room in here, which there's not much to look at right now, this was the back half of the master bedroom when we moved in. We built that wall there when we built my son's room and the closet there. So this actually is going to become an ensuite bathroom when it's all said and done, but that project's down the road a little bit. And what we're going to have here is into this room. This is going to be the master bedroom. I know it's a little hard to envision right now. This room is kind of a strange room. When the house was originally built, this would have been a carport that actually went right from the front of the house to the back. And at some point they closed it in and made it into an indoor living space. When we bought the house, this was just one big room with carpet. There was no lights in here. There was nothing. There was a little spiral staircase up at this end going down. So I built this wall to close off and made the front door area, that's our new foyer, is up there. And then what's going to happen is we have a little set of stairs. This is just temporary treads, of course, that are going to go down. And over this way, I'm going to build a walk-in closet over here. And then this will be the rest of the master bedroom. The bed will go here, and there's going to be probably a TV on the wall here, and I want to get one of those electric fireplaces that mounts on the wall right there. So as you can see, I've got my work cut out for me. A lot of debris in here. This has just sort of been the tool room. I got to clean all this crap out of here, find some other place to store it in the meantime. And I'm going to take the ceiling down because it's that ugly sort of 70s popcorn ceiling. That'll also help with running the wiring and everything like that, because again, there's no lights in this room. This over here, the thermostat for the baseboard heater, I'm going to actually have to move that because that's going to end up being inside the closet. And there's only about 4 plugs in this room altogether, so I'm going to add some more. We will probably replace the window because that's the oldest window in the house. Can't really see it because it's backlit here. Is this weird tongue and groove diagonal board feature that they have running on the wall there. That's coming off for sure. But what we do have here is nice vaulted ceilings. It's kind of cool. It's going to make for a very interesting bedroom, I think, once I get all this stuff cleared out of here. So stay tuned if you want to see how it turns out.